Here is one of 3 packages I still need to open on video that I received from the letter, or the letter H, from the internet land. This is the first one we're going to open, and I'll do the other 2 on separate videos. So we have the apply label here indicator, which is not where the label was. The label was on the top, but I did remove it prior to the video for the health and safety. So let's see here. Yeah, it looks like it's operating in person. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. It's been so long since we talked about what we were going to trade, I don't even remember what is in here. It looks like it's a Fian. Plastic film, the best thing for the environment. Plastic film, good for the environment. Plastic film, good for the environment. Well, here is the Fian itself. Styrofoam, good for the environment. Plastic film, good for the environment. Plastic film, good for the environment. This is a nice sturdy box. I think I want to keep that box. That's something I can use it for. And here is the Fian itself, the stand part. And the motor housing is in terrible condition. It's super brittle. Well, this is all cracked and disintegrated there. I think, if I recall correctly, I don't want to turn this on because I think there was some commentary about one of the windings broke or something, and that it needs to be repaired. Now, this is in really severe stages of decay. The plastic almost feels like soft. So this is the, it's a really weird Fian. I've never seen a motor housing quite like that. But this is the Portland super cool Fian. Model D-3080, and it looks like this label probably is in flawless condition because it still have the plastic film on there, which is good for the environment. Portland electric Fian, 30 centimeter blade, so it's almost like this was a Canadian model or something. Made in the Korea. It's got his schematics. And the bottom is like some fiberboard kind of stuff. TEC. Tiahan Electric Wire Company Limited. Well, that's kind of a lost cause there. I'm not sure if that really matters or not. It's going to depend on the way this connects. Must be dusty. Jeez. So we have 4 the clips, and then this open up here. That's probably super brittle too. We have more plastic film, which is good for the environment. And we have a false rip-off bag, which is, these are nice bags, so we'll keep that. And they're made in the USA. I don't understand why all these products that, not that they don't matter, but they're not of like substance, like a plastic bag. If a plastic bag broke, that wouldn't really be a big deal. Then you have other things that if they broke, it really would be a problem, and those are all made in China, so what gives? How come we can make stupid plastic products in this country, but we can't make anything of substance anymore? Alright, so this is kind of an interesting fan. It's got a 4-blade prop, so it's probably a little bit quieter than some of the 3-blade models. It's not in good shape either. It's got a chip missing out of here and a crack, so this is definitely brittle. Definitely on the brittle end of the spectrum for sure. Curiously enough, it looks like it has a metal center on the blades, and it looks like the guard metal piece screws directly to the motor, so this being all brittle and cracked is inconsequential to the functionality of the fan, and largely is not even going to be seen once it's put together. So this is an interesting fan, certainly an uncommon and unusual model. I will need to confirm with that letter if this was in fact the one that had the broken winding. If that's the case, then we'll attempt to repair. If it's not the case, then we'll just run it as it is, and then we'll clean it up and then run it clean. Duh, what a stupid thing to say. I'm just going to cut this video off now.